Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And how are you all doing today? Guys, today I have a little bit of jewelry. Of this and that, I've got some ear flick and I've got a package from Belk and another little package from Belk, but it's not jewelry, so we'll find out what it is in a minute. Hey guys, do you get ear flick? Ear flick comes out once a month. And it is a monthly subscription, costs around $3.94 a month. You can get it for less if you're signed up for 3 months, 6 months, or a year. I do every 6 months, and it runs me around $20. And I think it is a great purchase. It comes in this little ear flick bag after you open it up from the mailer. And they send out you these cute little earrings. They usually have a value of around $15.99. And they're usually very, very cute. And this month we had the Pastel Mama. That is our earring for this month. And it says, add a touch of class with these Pastel Mama earrings. The silver and the petal pink details will provide a dose of femininity to any look. And I'd say that's probably right. So let's take a look at these earrings. Oh, they are cute. It's so funny because on the picture, I'm always envisioning them being much bigger than what they actually are. And I'd have to say that's probably my only disappointment. I like bigger earrings, you know, like I got these big old things on. They're not heavy, they're pretty light. But anyways, these are really cute. Look at that. I'm going to love wearing those. And then they have this divider here, and I cut that in half. And then each side can have its own little piece. But aren't those pretty? What do y'all think? Do you like those? Let me see if I can get it around. There's the pink. It's a very pastel pink color on each side. It's going to look really pretty. It's a dangly earring. It's got the hook earrings and very cute. And it always comes in a little pink pouch. And then she always sends the retail value, and this was $15.99 for these earrings. So that's ear flick, and this was for October. She was running a little behind. She sent an email out and said that they got out like I think the 25th of October, and it took a little while for them to actually get here. But we have them now. And then of course Belk had a sale, and I had to get on there and buy something from Belk because guys, you know, they have really nice jewelry on sale, and I think I got this for half price. It's not quite the deals that I normally get with Belk. Usually I only pay $4 or $5 for a piece, but I believe with these, it was half price, and that which made them about $14 each. But we'll see. I'm going to pull this out here and see. It'll tell us, but I just love this. And here it's going to go with some earrings that I purchased, but don't you just love it? Love it, love it, love it. I love that tigery look on there. I love that type of jewelry. I love those types of clothes. And this says it was a $28 value, so that would be half, would be $14 that I paid for that. And I did pay $14. I do think I had some Belk dollars, so, you know, $10 might have came off. But they had a bracelet that would match it. And I don't know if y'all recall, but I already have some earrings that this will go with. And this is like a magnetic type enclosure. Isn't that cute? I just love that. And put that back together, and then you've got your matching little dangling gold. So I think with my earrings, that's just going to make a great set together. I just love that. What do you think? Okay, I've got one more item that I bought from Belk, and it came in this package. Estee Lauder, and this was Best in Pink. And you can see that it's got the ribbon around there. I thought this was for breast cancer, but I don't know. Maybe it's just Best in Pink. And this was on special from like, I don't know, I want to say like $135. And I got it for, I think it was $35. So it was marked down for some reason, and I don't know why, but it is this cute little bag. It's a little pink bag. It reminds me of Breast Cancer Month, but I don't know if that's what this was for because it doesn't have the symbol on there. Yes, it does. This is for breast cancer. So this was a special edition that they had, and inside here I have Estee Lauder Best in Pink commemorative 30th anniversary pink ribbon mini lipstick collection, and it's the BCRF Breast Cancer Research Foundation, so it's also a donation to them when you purchase, and it's a reminder of Breast Cancer Month, which I believe was last month. But anyways, isn't this little tote just so cute? I mean, just think if you had a little girl, she would just love having this for a little bag, wouldn't she? I mean, it would just be so adorably cute. A little 2 or 3 year old carrying and toting that around. Oh my goodness, it would just be so cute. But let's see what we have inside the little bag here. I want you to know it has some mini lipsticks. And there's 4 of them in here. And they're in pink. And it's got a little bit of decoration on there. And each one has a different color. So we have this one. Isn't that pretty? So these will be nice to put in my little cosmetic bag. And we've got 4 all together. And they're all got the same pink packaging, but they're going to be a little bit different color. So we have this red. This is that Rebellious Rose. I can recognize that one anywhere. That is one of her staple colors. And then we have 2 more. Ooh, we got us a nice red. Isn't that pretty? It's like a pink red. Very pretty. I love all these colors. And then one more. We got this nice pink here. So I'm going to open these up and try to show them to you all together. So you can see all the colors, and they're all a variation of pink. Some of them is really deep pink. So there they are. Aren't those beautiful colors? One of them's kind of a nude, and then one of them's almost a berry. And then we have the Rebellious Rose, and I think we have, I can't remember what it's called in pink. They're all Pure Color Envy, and this is Blushing Pink right here. Very pretty. This one is Pure Color Envy, and it is Anniversary Pink. So this is a really deep color. So these are special colors that they've put together for this little bag that was so cute. This one is appropriately called Dream Pink. So yeah, I like that. Love me some pink lipstick. And I like the reds, and all these are different colors of pink. And then the last one's called Pink Luster, and this kind of looks more like a neutral. But anyways, those were my lipsticks in my little pink bag, and I just love the little pink bag. Isn't that just so adorable? I've seen it, I just couldn't pass it up. I just think that is just so adorable. I think these would make nice little little gifts, like I said, for a little girl. Not the lipstick so much, but the other stuff would. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm not done. There's more lipsticks here. I thought there was just 4. Oh my goodness, guys. This thing was packed. I have more lipstick. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize there were this many. In addition to that, we have Daring Pink. So I have 3 more to show y'all. This is Daring Pink, and they're all Pure Color Envy. So I'm just going to have all kinds of pink lipsticks. Yeah. And this here is Luster. You know what? I wonder if I just accidentally got some extras, because these are some of the same colors. So I don't know. But anyway, I got a total of 7 lippies in here. And I don't see any more. So I got 7 lippies. And these are all what you'd call mini size. Perfect for your purse. And of course, in here, I can just put them all in here and I'm set to go. So that was 7 little lippies for $35. That was a heck of a buy from Estee Lauder. And I know they're small, but they're cute. So I really like that, and that was from my Belk order. So what do you think, guys? I got this for $35, and I got these each for $14. Let's see what the price is on this. This was $26, so this actually was like $13.50. So I got this, and I got the necklace to go with it. And then I got my lippies from Estee Lauder. And then from Earflick, we had our little pastel mama earrings. So I like everything. What was your favorite? My favorite of all of this right now, I'm going to have to say, is going to be the jewelry that I got, because I like that type of jewelry. I've got a couple of blouses and that'll go with, and of course that'll be great for going on trips and vacations to use and wear. And of course lippies I can always use. So overall, great buy. I really like it. So you let me know what your favorite is, and I appreciate you being with me today and taking some time to see what I have to offer. I want to remind you to check my descriptions because I've got a lot of things going on right now. I've got my 900 subscriber that'll be ending soon if it hasn't already, and if it has, then we'll have the 950. And we have the Advent Calendar series going on. There's just a lot that you can enter to win. So be sure and check my descriptions and follow through on those videos. But as for today, that's all I have for Earflick and Belk. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.